So to this day, the minute I find out somebody has it, I'm really quick to message them and say, like, hey, you got to get your ass up. You got to move. You don't want to move. You can't be laying down. You got to sit up. You got to walk around. There are so many things that are, I tend to liken things to books and movies. I remember sitting at the house and before I even went, coughing up, and I remember coughing into a tissue, and you look and it's full of blood. Well, in a movie, what is that? Well, in a movie that says
cancer, usually.
That's the point in the movie where you say, okay, this person's going to die. This is bad.